So Sherry and I first learned of Gold Coast and Joey through our good friends Steve and John. They did an extensive home remodel for them and it turned out absolutely beautifully. More important than that, they were really impressed with Joey and all of his workers and wouldn't hesitate to recommend or work with him again. Yeah, we had a really good, strong initial impression of Joey when we first met him. He came prepared, he had photos to show us, he listened very intently and was able to suggest things based on what we thought we wanted. So we had a very high, favorable first impression. Gold Coast is a very professional outfit. They use an app called Builder Trend that keeps you apprised of scheduling and payments. The office staff with Janelle was great about email communication, and Joey was always available, whether we sent an email or in a little bit more critical situation, a text. He was always responsive, which we really appreciated. So Joey and all of his workers and crew were all very professional. They're craftsmen, not just workers. They care about the quality of what they do. And we had a good working relationship with all of them, from Manny and Andrew, who did our tile work and suggested a different pattern, Jerry, who did our stone fireplace, which turned out absolutely beautifully, and Elias, who's just kind of a carpenter jack of all trades, electrical people, Dave and his son Jared, all of them, really outstanding work. We're thrilled with the final result. It's more than we could have imagined. My wife Sherry had some ideas over the last 20 years. She'd been saving magazine articles to then now internet clippings, and to have someone like Joey and his crew turn that dream into a reality has been amazing.